Hello viewers, what I have for you today is this M19 revolver in chrome with 4-inch barrel by UHC. It's a Springer, very low on power, about 35 meters per second. I will put somewhere here how much it is in FPS. This model is also called by the company as UA935. So first, this is your safety, and also is used to open the cylinder or swing it out. So when you push it to the rear, it's unsafe. You can't pull the trigger or hammer. When you push it forward, it will work. This gun is cocked by the hammer. It's a let's say double action, but pulling the trigger will only advance the cylinder. To cock it, you must pull the hammer down and then you fire it. So to swing the cylinder out, you use the safety and you need to push it more forward. Then you press on the cylinder and it swings out. To close the cylinder, it's best to press it here where the hinge is, because if you press it by the cylinder, as you can see, it will not lock completely and you need to push it more. Actually, the barrel in this is made from aluminum, which is nice. You have red stripe on the front side, and the rear side is actually windage adjustable. As you can see, you adjust it by this screw. Here is your ejector, but you really don't need this feature, because, by the way, these are the rounds. You push BBs in and then load the round in the cylinder. But I want to show you why you don't need the to eject them. They simply fall out. But here is the ejector in function. So the gun came with 8 rounds. You load it by inserting the BB from the back of the round and pushing it in. You need to push it slightly deeper because, as I said, this gun is pretty weak. So if you don't do that, they just stay in the round after you try to fire it. And then you load 6 rounds. I think there are 8, so you can have 2 spares if you lost one. You load all 6, close the cylinder, and then you can advance it to the position. Cylinder moves to the left. I think I lost it. And then just as I showed earlier, pull the hammer and then fire the gun. It actually have hole pop, by the way. It's nicely built, but you will not be very impressive in the field. It can hit targets at 10 meters, but that's the maximum it can. And you will only use 0.12 grams. So I think that's all to it. Thanks for watching.